Oh. Kaget ya kalau Alibata bisa nyanyi dan mengeluarkan suara merdunya juga ya. Bukan hanya mematikan gitarnya saja, tapi juga suaranya luar biasa. Halo guys, dimanapun Anda berada, semoga hari ini selalu diberikan kesehatan, keselamatan, dimurahkan rezeki, panjang umur, dan selalu dalam lindungan Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala buat kita semua. Amin Allahumma amin. Kembali lagi bersama BANJAR Reaction. Hari ini saya coba untuk reaksi lagi Alibata ya. Mungkin buat para sahabat ya, belum tahu kalau ada salah satu reaktor yang mereaksi Alibata hingga meneteskan air mata karena dengan dengan permainan gitarnya Alibata, dengan suaranya Alibata mungkin yang membuat mereka terharu dan menjadi sedih, akhirnya ya meneteskan air mata. Nah, sebelum kita lanjutkan ke videonya Alibata, sahabat yang baru bergabung dan baru kenal bersama BANJAR Reaction, jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe ya. Langsung saja kita menuju ke videonya, kita nonton bareng biar lebih afdal. Wow, ternyata Alibata menyanyikan lagu ya hingga membuat salah satu reaktor ini mengeluarkan air mata.
Amazing,
ya.
the Levites. Still don't know what I should be saying. But we all know I love me some Stan. So this is probably going to be fire.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's Untitled back again with another reaction. I don't know, I'm not familiar with the artist. It must be good though. It must be good. Anyways, I'm excited. Let's just check this out.
Oh, cara mainkannya ya. Oh, cepet banget jari-jarinya Alibata. Oh.
Now hold on. It's nice so far. It's nice and smooth, melodic, mellow, smooth. Just a vibe. Wonder if it's gonna pick up. If anything crazy is gonna happen.
Aduh. Suaranya keren banget Alibata. Nggak pernah mendengarkan suaranya,
I
akhirnya
had a feeling
keluar
it was
juga
gonna go heavy,
suaranya.
but I didn't know she was gonna be growling like that, man. Oh man, she got some pipes. Let's hear that again, because it got so quiet and so just mellow and vibey, and then all of a sudden just bam. I like it. Let's keep going, man.
Aku suka, mari kita lanjutkan lagi. Oh. Kaget ya kalau Alibata bisa nyanyi dan mengeluarkan suara merdunya juga ya. Bukan hanya mematikan gitarnya saja, tapi juga suaranya luar biasa. Wow.
Y'all, sends chills down my spine. I am something about him, his style, his voice. He might be my favorite like male vocalist that I've heard, that I've been introduced to this year. He continues to take my breath away when I see him. You just feel the passion in what he sings too. Like you just, it's so authentic. I'm amazed by him.
Bro, don't take this the wrong way. She has such this soothing, very feminine voice when she's singing. Her voice is deeper than most men who do this kind of music. She goes so deep, so low. Dang, man. Where's she summoning all that power from? It's all lungs in there, I guess.
Now, somewhere between the silent silence and sleep. Somewhere between the sacred and silence and sleep. Disorder.
Oh. Jadi bukan hanya gitarnya aja yang merdu, tapi suaranya juga luar biasa buat Alip Ba-Ta.
Like, for real, if I hadn't been seeing the video, if I just heard the song, I would have sworn that they had two vocalists. I would have thought the female was doing the clean vocals, and I would have thought there was a guy doing that. It's like two different people. Holy. I don't mean any of this in a bad way. I'm just amazed right now. I'm blown away right now. Surprised.
Jadi mereka semua ini kagum.
This is cool though. I dig this kind of music. I do. I'm just like feeling emasculated right now.
Just a pastime activity. The toxicity, ever city. Yeah, why on the one? Oh, you want disorder. Now, somewhere between that sacred silence and sleep.
God, she really does have a beautiful voice. Such a beautiful voice. She can just sound real scary when she wants to. But I love it. I love all of it. It's a little scary, but awesome. Amazing.
Somewhere between the sacred silence and sleep.
Jadi mereka tidak bisa berkata-kata lagi dengan skillnya Alip Ba-Ta. Bukan hanya gitarnya, tapi juga suaranya. Bikin mereka terkagum-kagum.
Are so amazing as well. This is beautiful.
Oke sahabatnya, itu tadi tampilan dari Alip Ba-Ta yang mana dia memainkan gitar sambil mengeluarkan suara merdunya hingga para reaktor yang ada di sini terkagum-kagum ya, dan tidak bisa berkata apa-apa lagi. Jadi inilah keahlian Alibata. Mudah-mudahan Alibata selalu diberikan kesehatan, keselamatan, dimurahkan rezeki, panjang umur, dan selalu dalam lindungan Allah Subhanahu wa taala. Dan juga buat para sahabat yang baru bergabung bersama Banjar Reaction, jangan lupa like, comment, dan subscribe ya. Dukung terus channel saya. Terima kasih, saya Banjar Reaction undur diri. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.